like this conversation which has this fly core system, the a pair flat diagram which is tell that about the simple deployment quality of flight software providing by the NASA. So what is this exactly? What is this application? So this is a community of general open source system which has provide every code here. This application which is supporting by the third parties NASA is providing everything. So let's come back to our application. So what is the CFIS? So core flight system. What is a core flight system exactly developed to this architecture and dynamic runtime? What is exactly what their use? So come back to the core flight system. What is exactly? So basics. This kind of stuff actually generally information as like you are seeing general information of satellite. Just there is a one satellite and connecting with the tower cells and had to connect with the signal systems with the taking some communication between and send upward link downward link, but he's introduced this CFS software which is integrated with these core flight system entirely. So they're integrated with the multiple stuff because Raspberry Pi is IoT technology base. So when Raspberry Pi is a processor which has IoT technology is coming to the picture, so integrated with at a time is a multiple tasks. There is a upward link or downward link, whatever it may be. So there is an integration with the multiple systems, which is like there's a ladder communication system, there is a space suit, there's a IoT Internet of Things plus solar panel probes, so humidity they have to control. So everything these this software will be managed around more than 15 application at a time to the space upward link or download link everything. So these are kind of information given by the NASA. So this CFS collaboration with the Colorado University. So basically they won't provide that information, such a thing. So they won't use the specific content, give you the confirmation. So Colorado University is providing this software because there is an internal working with the spending much information. So this is a ladder communication which is there above the like not more than 50 kilometers away. That's a space shuttles which there's a managed by the IoT things, and this is a ladder which is and don't forget this PySet software. What is this is exactly CFS application as give the information such a thing, provide exactly what they want basically that from what we learn for that programming exactly. Just one thing, this is not only one thing, there's a upward link, there's a downward link. These two things common sense as a basic satellite communication which is responding with the upward link or downward link. These two things are common, but one thing, these CFS apps will provide the information getting to the PyChop cam app because these are run scripts by the backend. There's a very dynamic, there is a secure base this software which is all integration at a time for the satellite communication upward link or downward link, and direct with the communication with the mobile direct to the satellite. So the especially there is a four quadrants in the TDM term division multiplex. There is a four quadrants which Q3 now in the market, but now Q4 in the high upgraded next in the next generation of the telecommunication, which is 5G or 6G. So that generation coming to the picture. These are all technology coming to the these only, which is a grounded operating system, which is a low level satellite communication, which one satellite to another satellite there is a much difference, only 1 or 2 kilometers every satellite need to connect with these technologies because low density na the upward linking downlinking is a more much speed they're getting when interacting with the without a third party satellite with the less signal causability. Even though there is around more than 360 angle of our air, it will be confirmed a small satellites is a very cheap cost comes under the big satellite. So there's a major motto this application will devise designed by the